moving on to the Martelius now. This is £1,489, so we're creeping up again in the price brackets. Let's open it up and see what's in it. First impressions are it's pretty.
It's a small box.
It's a small box compared
really
to everything else.
Yeah, so we've got looks like lots of V-banded joints here.
It's like a two-piece pipe, this.
Yeah. 3-inch.
Tips are welded on, so it should make for a really nice fit, really easy once you've got these on.
It's much easier to get it all aligned and looking at it straight.
I would say that weighs as much as the Rebus.
Yeah, the Rebus is crazy light. Yeah. So in terms of hardware, we only get the clamps needed to put the exhaust together. There isn't a gasket or bolts for that end there. It's alright for us today because we've got 7 or 8 different gaskets to use if we want to, but something to bear in mind that you might need just to replace the Toyota crush ring if you go for the Martelius. So onto the Martelius.
Yeah, see.
Considering it doesn't have a mid-box like a lot of the other systems do, I thought this was quite quiet.
Yeah, it was, I think, kind of on the noise level side, it was sort of in the middle, wasn't it?
Yeah.
But it wasn't offensively loud, it wasn't quiet, you could tell it was there without it being offensive.
Yeah, definitely. Helped by quite a big back box here. But again, big chunky pipe work, fitted great. I don't think we had any fitting issues with any of these exhausts.
No, they all went on brilliantly, and this was the first of kind of the two-piece system. I think that we saw.
Yeah, and this is a V-banded as well, isn't it?
Yes. It's quite OEM looking tips as well on this one.
Yeah, they're probably the smallest ones, aren't they?
Yeah.